नमस्कारः सर्वेभ्यो छात्रेभ्यो स्वस्ति। अद्य वयम् अष्टमी कक्षायाः प्रथमं पाठं सुभाषितानि पठामः। Now, dear students, we are going to learn 8th Sanskrit textbook first lesson Subhashitani. Here, the meaning of Subhashitani, good sayings or good words. Subhashitani, the word is made up of two words, Su and Bhashitam. Su means good, Bhashitam means told or said. Here in this lesson, the slokas are collected from different books or Shatakas like Niti Shatakam, Bhartruhari Subhashita Trishati, and so on. These type of Shatakas are known as Anibadha Kavyani. So we find two types of kavyas or epics, Nibadha Kavyani and Anibadha Kavyani. Nibadha Kavyani means like Ramayana, Mahabharata and other scripts. There is a story running through all the poems or slokas or Sanskrit verses. But whereas in Shataka Sahitya, we find every sloka is individual. There will be no link at all between two slokas or among the slokas. So that's why these are known as Anibadha Kavyani. So here let us see the slokas. They are full of nectareous words, very, very sweet. Now let us see the slokas. First sloka. Guna gunagneshu guna bhavanti te nirgunam prapya bhavanti doshaha suswadu toyaha prabhavanti nadyaha samudramasadya bhavanti apeyaha. In this sloka, the poet describes about the good people and good qualities. Even good qualities are entering into a noble person or a virtual person. Those qualities will be always good. Suppose those good qualities are entering into a bad person or a wicked person, then those qualities, they also become bad. They will be spoiled by entering into bad person. Here is an example for that. Nadyaha susvadu toyaha prabhavanti. The rivers flowing from the peaks of mountains, they are producing susvadu toyaha, good, tasty drinking water. But when they are reaching the ocean or samudram, sea, apeyaha bhavanti. Peyaha means drinking, drinkable, apeyaha, which are not useful to drink. So here what we have to learn out of this sloka, even qualities when they are in a right person, good person, virtuous person, those qualities will be bloomed, blossomed. But when they enter into a bad person, those good qualities also becoming bad. How the rivers are producing tasty, good water but when they are coming, entering and mixing with the water of ocean, they also becoming salty, and those water not drinkable. So here, inner meaning, we have to mingle with the good people, noble people, righteous people. Then we will become like virtuous. If we mix with the bad people, wicked people, we also become same. So that's why select the good persons and develop friendship or sangati, sat sangati. This is the inner meaning of this sloka.